Hello there. Pineapple. Box. This guy does not have a care in the world. He does not give a F.
A few moments later.
Nice.
Nice.
More moments later.
This is a pretty decent pet stroller. It's got brakes that can detach, front wheels that turn 360 degrees that can also detach, cup holder, a screen in case it's raining or the weather's bad. You can also put some stuff down here, though it looks a little flimsy to me. I don't think I'd put a lot of stuff in here. The maximum weight, it's 15 kilograms for here. 15 kilograms, 2 pounds is about 32 pounds. Definitely can handle medium-sized pets, but not large pets. So it's perfect for guys like this. Right, Piney? You wanna try this out? Pineapple? Yeah, talking to you. He's curious, but not curious enough to get in here. Only way he'll come in here is if I put him in there. So he's baffled, but he's not hating it. He's not jumping out, so I think he's liking it. Aww. Bless you. You like it. Wanna go for a test run? Choo choo. I think I can take him out for walks in this, as long as I don't go too fast. You wanna jump out? Okay, go ahead, baby. Aww. That's it?
Boo!
Trying to bribe him with some treats. Oh, as soon as it starts moving, he gets a little jumpy. It's okay. Let's see if Mochi likes it. Look at that. Wow, Mochi. Wow. You like? Let him get used to it. Let me give him some treats. Aww.
Later that same evening.
You like it in there, Mochi? Oh, so cute. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
You gotta dip in like a. Ooh. You wanna walk around the apartment with daddy? Kitchen. Oh yeah. POV. This thing is awesome. He's breaking it in first. He's trying to put a cushion. One more like. Imagine we're walking around. Oh, how old is your baby? And we open it as a cat. How old? You know, 2 months feline.
What you doing, Mochi? What you doing? Look at Pineapple. You want to be in there too? Try putting him in there with Mochi. Let's see what happens.
Huh?
Alright, he's like, watch out, little bro. Hey, you wanna play? Oh my god.
Nope.
Okay.
So yeah, he doesn't want to share.
Come on, homie.
Oh hell no!
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Babe.
He's like, it's my spot. You stay still.